5 Best Portable Air Compressors. The item number 5 is DEWALT DWFP 551266 gallon 165. DEWALT DWFP 551266 gal 165 psi pancake compressor features a high-efficiency motor for easy startup in cold weather or extension cord application. 14 ga or larger, 50 feet, 15.2 meters, or less. It also offers a 165 max psi 6.0 gallon tank, 22.7 liters, and 2.6 SCFM delivered at 90 p. The item number 4 is Air Tools Cat 1 P1060S Light and Quiet. The Californian Air Tools Light and Quiet 1 P1060S portable air compressor is designed to be one of the quietest air compressors in the industry, having only 56 decibels of sound. The 0.6 horsepower motor operates at only 1,680 RPM, creating less noise and less wear. The new IP Ultra Quiet and oil-free motor is a single piston pump design. The item number 3 is PorterCable C2002R. This highly portable oil-free pancake-style air compressor packs a punch with an induction motor that provides longer life and better performance, whether you're filling tires or firing a nailer. Complete with a soft start motor, it can easily run off of normal household circuits and is able to run at 3.5 SCFM for faster recharge of its 6-gallon tank. The item number 2 is PorterCable C2002WK. Porter Plus Cable Pancake Compressor is constructed with a pancake-style tank for optimal stability, water drain valve, rubber feet and a 150 psi. The higher pressure design provides longer air tool performance and features a 2.6 SCFM at 90 psi, allowing for a quick recovery time. The item number 1 is PorterCable C2002. PorterCable Pancake Compressor is constructed with a pancake-style tank for optimal stability, water drain valve, rubber feet and a 150 psi. The higher pressure design provides longer air tool performance and features a 2.6 SCFM at 90 psi, allowing for a quick recovery time.